Let me show you what to do if only one earphone is working on your F9-5 wireless earbud set. So if for some reason you can only hear sound coming through only one earphone, then there are various fixes for this thing. So first things first, actually verify that the contacts on your earphones are clean. So you see you have these like metal pins, make sure there is nothing stuck on them. So basically once you insert them in the case and actually like remove them out of the case, they actually will turn on and like enter this pairing and connection mode with your phone. So if there is something stuck or very dirty, the earphone itself might think that it still is in the case and it shouldn't turn on. So that might be one of the problems. Then also maybe you have actually taken these earphones out only one at the time. So usually you have to actually like remove them both at the same time. So if you like take one earphone out and after like 5 minutes take another earphone, this sometimes can like confuse them. So generally when you actually use them, insert both of them at the same time and also take them out at the same time. Then also next thing, sometimes when you actually use them, maybe you use one earphone more than the other. Again, maybe you only use one. Maybe the battery level like depletes faster on one than on the another, basically, and this basically creates imbalances in the like charging basically their algorithm basically. So what you can do is simply like insert these inside and let them actually fully charge up. So again, maybe one has been like discharged very much, but other one is like full. So make sure they're actually fully charged and then leave them alone for like 1 hour. So this sometimes simply fixes these problems. So then simply take them out and see if that fix. Then next what we can do is we can actually like do this soft reset on them. So what we can do is we can go on our Bluetooth settings, for example, find the TWS 5.3, click here and click forget. So this will disconnect them and basically they'll be wiped clean from your phone. Also what I suggest you do is actually also restart your phone before you attempt to pair them back together, as again sometimes the issue is actually with the phone Bluetooth itself, especially on Android phones. So you can fix this by simply restarting your phone, so it's that easy. Then again insert them back in. So wait a few seconds, take them out and basically let's pair them again. So again make sure to insert them in and take them out after you disconnect them basically, and then pair to them again and see if this fixes these problems. So these are some things you can do again if you have some problems and only one side is working for you. Anyway, good luck guys.